Alright, so we have a triangle TUV, and we know it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and we're given the two vertices for U and V, so let's draw that out here. So we would have one point over here, that would be U at 3 comma negative 1, and then V would be over here at negative 3 comma negative 1. Alright, and it says that UV, so this side length right here, is the hypotenuse. So we could figure out that that length is 6. And then it says point T is in quadrant 1. So we'll place point T over here somewhere. Find the coordinates of T. So just by looking at it, since T is in quadrant 1, I'm going to want this angle. I'm going to want TU to be the shorter side, which would make this angle 30. Alright? And because if you did it the other way, if you made like this the longer leg, then that point would be in quadrant 2. So if you set it up like that, where this angle was a 30-degree angle, you would get a point in quadrant 2, and then you would just redo it and then make this angle the 30-degree angle. Oops. So now we know that this angle here is 60 degrees, and that's going to be 90. Alright, so we could figure out that this length right here would be 3, because it's the shorter leg. So now we have to figure out how many units are we going to move from here, this point, to this point, so that it's 3 units in this direction. So another way to think about it is we're trying to find the coordinates of x and y. So instead of trying to figure out like how much do we move left or up to get 3, we're going to use the distance formula. So pretty much we're trying to find the coordinates of t so that the distance is 3 to point 3 comma negative 1. So if we write out with the distance formula, we get x minus 3 squared plus y minus negative 1 squared is equal to the distance 3. Square both sides, and you get x minus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 9. Alright, now this equation has 2 variables, so we're going to have to set up another equation.